Hey, it's Dr. Mo here again at Chiropractic Care Center in Fairfax. I got Coach Rios. Coach Rios has been training my kids for a long time now and done an awesome job. So he came in today, never been adjusted before. He's been watching the videos and he wanted to get adjusted. So I said, why not? So let's go ahead and adjust you. So Coach Rios, let's go face down for me. Coach Rios' mom has been adjusted before. And yeah, well, he's come here before for calf pain and different things, but never been fully adjusted. All right, you ready, Coach Rios?
Yes.
Deep breath for me. Oh, yeah. Blow it out. There you go. Nice. Now you see the truth thing. This side up. Face this way. We're going to make Coach Rios famous today.
Yes.
Bring this forward. Good. Relax. Good. Deep breath. All the way out. Good. Relax, relax. Nice. Same thing other side. Now you're going to be addicted. Straight to bottom for me. Bottom. There you go. There. Perfect. Good. So there's anything else left. Deep breath. All the way out. Good. Relax, relax. Nice. Muy bien. Face up for me. I was originally going to do this video in Spanish, but I decided not to. There we go. There it is. All right, go face down. Let me check it. Beautiful.
Yes.
You're now perfect, Coach Rios.
Thank you. Feels
All right.
so good.
So if you've been watching, you want to come in and get adjusted, come on in.